So in this series, we learn how to use algebraic tiles to solve equations. So we have this equation x plus 3 is equal to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for an x and then three ones and then equal to 8. Okay? So I see an x in all of them, so that's correct. So I got that part. Now I need 3, so there's a 3 here, 4 and a 4. And then I need an 8, so let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 3 columns, so that's a 15. This one on the other hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the correct form, right? So let's submit this. Choose this as our choice and submit. Alright, and then let's try another one. So now what does this equation represent? We see two x's. So this means there's 2x, and then there's equal, and then how many ones do you see? There are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. So 2x is equal to 16, mark that. And so on. Now with the negative, now see there's a negative sign. So this is negative 5x. I'll erase this so that. And then there's plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 8. So negative 5x plus 8. So it's either this one or this one. I'll even erase this. And then we just need to count how many ones there are over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. And then there's a 7 over here. So 16 plus 7 is 23. So this is the correct answer. Alright, let's try another one. J2. So in this one we have to write an equation that says that the length of the green line is equal to the length of the black line. So what's the black line made up of? P, 3P, and 13. So let's add all these. And now it's equal to 45. So what does your equation simplify to? Now you can combine like terms as they're saying. So let's combine these two. So we get 4P plus 3 is equal to 45. Let's plug that in. Okay, let's try this. Now we've got 3 Q's and 1 9. So, sorry. Let's erase all of this. And all of it is equal to 30. So 3Q plus 9 is equal to 30. Let's plug that in. Three Q plus 9 equals to 30. And then hit submit. That's how we get J2. Here it's h plus 2h is equal to 36, which is 3h is equal to 36. Let's try the third one. Now in these cases, we just have to use SADMAP. So if you remember SADMAP, you'll be able to solve all these questions from here onwards. So b minus 4 is equal to 5.31. I see a subtraction. Let's do the opposite. Plus 4. I don't need this equal here. But this will cancel off. So you'll get 9.31. So it's all about SADMAP. Substitute here again, there's a negative, so we'll add and we'll get 13. So I'll just plug in 13. Again, you'll get a 19. Here now you've got division, so you do the opposite. So let's multiply 3 on both sides. Alright. So in this one, we'll just use SADMAP on the variables. So 9G, we see two 9Gs. Try to bring all the G's together. So subtract 7G, subtract 7G. This becomes 0, this is negative 10. 9 minus 7 is 2G, and then you divide 2. So G is negative 5. Let's plug that in. So there we are with the first half of it. Let's see what's happening with 7. So solve equations, complete the solution. Again, what are we doing? This is just SADMAP, one step after the other, right? So if I subtract 19 from both sides, this becomes 0, so that's why they've written 11x. What about this side? Even this becomes 0, so let's plug in 0 over there and then divide 11, so it's 0, right? So basically what they're asking you is submit 0 in both spots. So let's hit 0 in both spots. Zero, submit. And that's how the equation is done. Now in this one, even though there is a parenthesis, just treat it as multiplication. So we've got 18, so divide 9, and then this gives you a 2. So u plus 1 is equal to 2, and then you can just subtract 1 both sides. So think opposites, that's all. So let's submit these values. This would be 2, this would be 1, submit.